Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're working on the Seat Leon. It's a 2014-13 model, 1.2 petrol engine. We've got the engine light on, misfiring. You can feel the engine shake a little, ever so slightly. What we've got, random multiple misfire detector, cylinder 2 is positive. Right, so we're going to do step by step on how we can change the spark plug and whatnot, and I'm going to show you everything at a time. So before we do anything, we're going to get cracking. Take all this off, and we're gonna you've got these which needs to be pulled to the side. Again, pull to the side, move this, and then we're gonna get onto these, squeeze them and move it out of the way. First thing first, popped out. I've put something in there so it doesn't go into the throttle body. It's always good to be wary. You can pop something in there as well, just to make sure you don't pop a loose bolt in there. And, to make life easy, so you've got cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4 as far as I know. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, I am going to dig in further, but this is cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what's coming up as misfire. We are going to dig in and change him. We've got the whole kit. And this one was where the airbox filter was on, so we just kind of pushed it up. Make sure you disconnect this though. There was this clamps, these here, undo them, and there is a sensor just underneath. Unplug it, don't dust it. So it's a size 10, so undo these. And I ain't got the best socket, but this is just the demo. So size 10, undo it, the sensor's easy, squeeze that, pull out. Socket we need is a 16mm. It's a special socket for spark plugs. You can buy it on Amazon, Bullseye, Eurocar Park, you know, these places. Only a few quid, probably 10-15 quid if that. And you need a extender, which I have, and this, and it just fits right through, and it's got a rubber in there as well, so it kind of grabs the spark plug. So I've put it in there, and let's get a new spark plug has been fitted, and I've gone and ordered some good NGK spark plugs. Don't get cheap stuff, please don't go cheap on these, because it's gonna backfire at you. Make sure you get some decent coil packs as well. So guys, so if we turn the ignition on after everything's been done, we'll clear fault code. Yes. So before it was juddering, like how do I explain? When you put your foot down, the revs were like going blah, 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 like in that sort of sense. So neutral, start. So now, there we go. There's no like what's the word? Judder. Smooth. There we go. But that's how it is done, guys.